I'm Cassie, and I'm going to walk you through question 10, which is associated with passage 2 of the AAMC official physics question pack to prepare you for the MCAT. So, what is this question asking? It's asking about comparing the relative amplitudes of the different curves shown in figure 1. The first question is, how can you tell the amplitude of a wave? So if I have a curve that looks like this, the amplitude is just the distance between the curve and the x-axis. For example, the amplitude from my peak point of my curve here would be this amount. So let's say, I don't know, we could say this is +2 on my y-axis. But my amplitude at this point on the curve would be, let's say, a +1, a little bit less. So the next question is, how do you tell which of the 3 curves that you're given is each harmonic? Well, as we talked about in the previous questions in this passage, as you increase harmonics, you're going to increase the frequency of the wave. So in other words, if this is the first harmonic, then the second harmonic must have a slightly higher frequency, so it must oscillate faster. As an example, the second harmonic could look something like that. And then the third harmonic is going to have an even higher frequency. So if we did that in green here, it might be, something like that. So go ahead and look at the figure that the AAMC gives you. And the first thing you want to do is just pick out the first harmonic. The first harmonic is the one which looks something like this. And then take a look at its amplitude. Notice that its amplitude is going to be slightly greater. So let's just say that the other curves are, something like this. Well, that means this amplitude, right? This amount of amplitude is greater than this amount of amplitude. But these 2 dotted curves, they both look like they have about the same amplitude. So if we're comparing the amplitudes in graphical form, if this was the first harmonic, this was the second harmonic, and this was the third harmonic, and on our y-axis we had amplitude, then our amplitude of our first harmonic we said is going to be greater than the amplitude of the second and third harmonic, but the amplitude of the second and third harmonic are going to be about the same. That's why the answer is A. So key takeaways, remember that the frequency of oscillation increases as you increase each harmonic, and amplitude is just the displacement of the curve, the distance of the curve from the x-axis. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and please subscribe for more content like this.